Hey guys, how's it going? Now, we get a lot of questions asking about the best budget gaming laptops. And the interesting thing is that while there are a lot of options to choose from, they're all mostly powered by AMD processors. And well, why not? AMD is actually offering great performance without breaking the bank. But with so many options to choose from, which one should you go for? Well, this right here is the MSI Bravo 15, which I have been using for quite some time now, and honestly is one of the best budget gaming laptops that I've used in a while. And what's more is that MSI is offering huge discounts on the Ryzen 5 variant of this laptop, which makes it an excellent deal for a lot of users out there who are looking for a great budget laptop. But should you pick this one up? Let's find out. This is One from Guiding Tech, and you're watching my video on the MSI Bravo 15. Let's get started. Alright, so kicking things off, let's start by talking about the design here. Now, right off the bat, it looks like your usual MSI laptop, but instead of the MSI logo, it now has the Bravo logo on the lid. The laptop screams gamery thanks to the defining bold lines and the red accent, including the red backlighting under the keyboard. The laptop weighs about 2.3 kgs, which is adequately portable for a 15.6-inch display chassis. Now, in terms of connectivity, the Bravo 15 has you covered on both fronts, left and right. Literally. On the left side, you get the DC charging port, a USB A 3.2 port, coupled with a USB 2.0 port. Over to the right side, you get an RJ45 port, a full-size HDMI port, a USB Type-C port, another USB A 3.2 port, and a 3.5 headphone jack. There's also support for the modern Wi-Fi 6 connectivity here. The MSI Bravo 15 also comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with a refresh rate of 144Hz. This is an IPS level panel, so the viewing angles are pretty good too. Also, the slim bezels here ensure that your focus stays on the content or the game that you're playing. Speaking of which, our unit here comes equipped with the AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor coupled with 16GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200MHz. There's a 5.2GB PCIe SSD, and for graphics, you have the AMD Radeon RX 5500M GPU with 4GB of GDDR6 VRAM. For the price, this is a stellar combination, and this definitely shows. You can see the benchmarks on your screen, and the MSI Bravo 15 is no slouch, be it synthetic loads like Cinebench or PCMark, or whether it's demanding titles like Forza Horizon and Metro Exodus. The laptop breezes past through it all and actually outputs numbers that are better than most of its competition. Now, the main reason behind this is the cooling of this laptop. The MSI Bravo 15 comes with MSI's Cooler Boost 5 technology, which is using a dual fan setup with 6 heat pipes. Now, MSI has clearly worked hard on the thermal department here, and that definitely shows, because even in our stress testing, we never breached the 95-degree mark, which is quite commendable for a laptop of its form factor and its price segment. Alright, now a couple of things about the overall experience of this laptop, starting with this keyboard right here. A major part of my workload involves a lot of typing, and I imagine that a lot of folks who would be eyeing this laptop would be concerned a lot about the typing experience too. Thankfully, I have only positive things to state. The layout is wide and easy to adapt to, and backlighting is bright enough, and the key travel is pretty good too. The touchpad below it could have been a bit wider, but other than that, it's damn excellent. See, most gaming laptops usually ship with a very poor touchpad, and they just use the excuse that, okay, if you're buying a gaming laptop, you'll be buying a dedicated gaming mouse anyway. I really don't like those kind of excuses, and it's nice to see that MSI hasn't compromised on the touchpad experience here. The palm rejection does not disappoint, the gestures work well, and there isn't any significant smudging here either, which is another complaint that I usually have with budget laptops. Now, the Bravo 15 also comes with a 53.5 watt-hour battery. Now, I know a lot of folks have this pre-assumption that AMD's chipsets use or suck up a lot of your battery juice and do not deliver good battery life. But I can honestly say that is not the case, especially not with their newer processors. For instance, in our testing here, the Bravo 15 gave us a battery backup of about 4 hours on medium usage, which is pretty good considering the overall package here. Another good thing here is that you can fast charge it as well whenever needed thanks to the 150 watt charger. So, the big question, is the MSI Bravo 15 worth it? Well, the starting price of this laptop with the Ryzen 5 chipset and 8 GB of RAM is about 72,000, which in itself is a pretty decent deal. However, MSI is also offering wide discounts across all of their laptops, including the Bravo 15, and you can actually score up to 20% off on this laptop. Now, the links to all of those offers with all of the buying links is down in the description box, including the buying link for this one. And the reason why I'm stressing on that is if you're looking for a good budget gaming laptop, this is one that you should definitely check out. And well, that was it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.